Ever wondered how fitness apps track your movement and workouts? Why your smartphone seems to know exactly how many steps you've taken in a day, or how long you've been active? Welcome to the fascinating world of fitness apps. These digital trainers have become increasingly popular, helping millions of people maintain or improve their physical health. From tracking your daily steps, to monitoring your heart rate during an intense workout, they seem to know it all. But how do they do this? You may think it's magic, but it's actually something much more accessible and interesting. It's all down to the impressive range of sensors nestled within your smartphone. These sensors, working in harmony, transform your phone into a fitness tracking powerhouse. But what are these sensors, and how exactly do they interact with the apps to provide you with detailed data about your physical activity? Well, it's all thanks to the sensors in your smartphone. Let's dig a bit deeper. To understand how fitness apps work, we first need to understand the sensors in our smartphones. You see, these pocket-sized devices are actually packed with a variety of sensors that enable them to function in remarkable ways. First up, we have the accelerometer. This sensor tracks the orientation and movement of your phone, helping your fitness app to record steps or track a run. Next is the gyroscope, which measures the rotation and tilt of your phone, providing data on the direction of your movement. Then there's the GPS, or Global Positioning System, a sensor that can pinpoint your exact location anywhere on Earth. This is the sensor that maps your cycling route, or tracks your hike through the woods. These sensors might seem insignificant, but they're instrumental in making your fitness apps work. They track your every move, turning raw data into useful information about your health and fitness. These sensors might be small, but they play a huge role in making your fitness apps work. Now that we know about the sensors in our smartphones, how do fitness apps utilize them? This question takes us on an exciting journey into the world of technology and fitness. To start with, let's talk about the accelerometer and gyroscope. These sensors are the unsung heroes of your fitness journey. The accelerometer measures the rate of acceleration of movement, while the gyroscope offers information about the orientation of the device. Fitness apps use these sensors to track your steps and movement, whether you're casually strolling in the park or running a marathon. When you see the number of steps you've taken or the distance you've covered, it's the accelerometer and gyroscope at work. They continuously collect data about your physical activity, turning your daily moves into quantifiable data. But how about when you're cycling or hiking, and the app shows your exact route? That's where the Global Positioning System, or GPS, comes in. The GPS in your smartphone communicates with satellites to determine your precise location on Earth. Fitness apps use this information to track your distance and route. Whether you're exploring a new trail or just want to know how far you've run, the GPS has you covered. So, while you're sweating it out, your smartphone sensors are also hard at work, capturing every move, every step, and every mile. So, next time you check your fitness app, remember the complex technology that's working behind the scenes. In a nutshell, fitness apps and smartphones work hand in hand to keep track of your physical activity. These apps, with the help of sensors like accelerometers, gyroscopes, and GPS, record your every move, creating a comprehensive picture of your health and fitness. They're not just tools, they're your pocket-sized personal trainers, encouraging you to keep moving, pushing new limits. Isn't it fascinating how a small device in your pocket can do so much? For more such interesting insights, click at Venkathateki on the screen and subscribe, please.